Top of the morning, YouTube. No, we're not doing anything with goats today. I'm about to go outside to get a fire going. However, the stuff I'm gonna burn is just straight cardboard, and sometimes it takes a little bit to get cardboard burning. And what I like to use are fire starters. Now, the fire starters I like to use are the ones that I make myself. And I know there are many fire starters out there, such as these cubes here. You can also get sticks. There's so much things out there on the market. These ones were left here from the previous owners. They're actually not the ones I make, but yeah, you can purchase these. But these things cost money, and they're actually very inexpensive to make. And I'm going to show you one way that I like to make my own fire starters at home. And it only uses 2 ingredients, possibly 3 if you want to make it waterproof. And the 2 ingredients I'm using is going to be Vaseline and a cotton ball. Now, this is not going to be turning into no R-rated movie. This is a legit fire starter combination. Now, if you watch this channel, you may know that I like how the English language likes to play with words. So Vaseline here is now called healing jelly. However, if you're as old as I am or older, you probably know that this Vaseline used to be called something else. And it's funny how they say it's used for dry skin. So I just peeled the sticker off the back of this, and I wanted to see if the actual name on it was right, and that's what they say on here. It says, new name, same great product. Vaseline Petroleum Jelly is now Vaseline Healing Jelly. So for those that know what Vaseline actually is, it's petroleum based, and anything petroleum typically can burn. Now you can take a cotton ball like this and light it on fire, and I'll see if I can find a lighter at the moment here. Alright, now that I found the lighter. So you can take a lighter and light this and use that as a fire starter. However, it's going to burn very rapidly. So what you can do is take a cotton ball, and I'm going to give you a quick little demonstration right now. Is if you take the cotton ball and you wipe it around in the Vaseline for a little bit, it'll pick up all that petroleum jelly. Yeah, you'll have some flakes in there from the cotton ball as it comes apart, but that's all I use the Vaseline for on the Homestead, is to make these fire starters, and they work great. So you get a good layer of petroleum jelly on there, or healing jelly, whatever you want to go by, and you just kind of get it into there. And I'll show you a quick little demonstration right now. And I'm going to light the petroleum jelly one first, and I'll light the cotton ball, and we'll go from there. And I'm also doing this on a metal desk here, so don't worry about any safety concerns. So we're here probably maybe 10 seconds, and this cotton ball one here is like almost halfway gone, where the petroleum jelly one or the healing jelly is still going. And we're probably maybe 20 seconds in, and this cotton ball is probably a quarter of the way done. The Vaseline one is still going strong. So this is a perfect example of a way that you can take a simple product that you probably have at home that's not being used and turn it into something useful, because these things are actually coming in as a shortage and the prices are going up. So I know I bought a packet of 2,000 cotton balls, and I got the 2 of these bigger Vaseline jars plus this one for I think $30, and I'll be set for fire starters for a very long time. So as this burns, I also mentioned that there could be a third product that you can use if you'd like to make this a waterproof use as well. So say you're going camping or kayaking, boating, something like that. You're an outdoorsy type of person, and you're gonna be exposed to water, or you don't want this to get soaked if you do fall into water. One thing I like to do is take a plain straw that I can get from a juice box, or you can buy them if you want. I actually recommend you purchasing straws from anywhere. And these are the ones we have just from your juice jars or juice boxes. And the reason I would recommend buying ones is if you buy them, you can get them in a larger diameter. A quick joke is if you like have a Harvey's nearby, their black ones are very good size for making these fire starters. And what you do is you just heat up one end, and you can take a multi-tool and bend the one end after you melt it, or seal it off like that. Pack it with your cotton ball, petroleum jelly, healing jelly mixture, and pack it in, and then seal it off on the other end. And what you need to do in order to get this going is not cut off the end here. What I like to do, and it's easier, like I said, with a larger diameter straw, is slice it down the center here. So if I can find my knife, I will cut a little bit on this one here. And as you can see, the whole time I'm talking, this one here is still burning. So, and the cotton ball here is pretty well done. There's a little bit of residue left over, but not much. So I'll cut that out like that, a little cut, and then what I'll do is I'll pull out just a little feather like that. And I'm sorry to those environmentalists that don't like me burning plastic, but I'm actually recycling here, so I am actually one up. Anyways, so all I do is light that little wick on there, set it on the ground, and now you're good to go again. So you can see this one now. I don't even know how long it's been on the timer there, but this petroleum jelly cotton ball, it has lasted well over like 3 times as long as the just a cotton ball on its own. And now, as you can see, the one that's in this straw is gonna burn a lot longer as well. And I'm telling you, this one also had maybe a quarter of a cotton ball inside this straw. So if you can get a larger diameter straw, you can also pack in more cotton, and you'll get a longer burn out of these sticks here. So I thought that was a good quick little video just to show you a quick way of making your own fire sticks or fire starters, whatever you want to call it. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments and I'll hit you back up. If not, see you on the next one.